How do you cope with a disturbed home situation? How do you cope with a hostile environment inside your home? Well, the first thing is I want you all to understand that everybody has problems and you should not judge who is right or wrong. The first coping mechanism that I always suggest for people in a hostile home environment is to remove yourself from the situation. Go somewhere else, lock yourself in your room, do something else where you're away from this confusion or this issue that is happening. Second, let the adults sort it out. Don't try to involve yourself too much or don't try to be affected by it. Remember that everybody has problems. Remember that they have their own ways of handling it. And don't try to interrupt or don't try to become an adult because you would not know what is actually happening. If you are the reason for which the situation at home has turned hostile, communicate openly, find out the problem. If you can address it, address it. If you cannot, ask for help. Tell your parents that you're doing the best. Communicate with them transparently. Be open and tell them that I am feeling bad that you're fighting because of me. And this is what I'm doing and this is where I'm helpless. At least the environment which has become hostile will turn supportive. There might be times when things are uncontrollable, when things cannot be controlled by you. And that is the time you need to be able to understand whom to call for help, be it your relatives, be it your friends, or even elders at home. Or if you need to approach any of the helplines if the situation has become very serious. These are some things that you need to remember when dealing with hostile situations or dealing with a very uncomfortable situation at home. Always ensure that you don't raise your voice and make the situation much more harsher or much more problematic. Learn to be as cool as you can and be empathetic. Learn to understand how it would feel if you were in their position and then try to analyze logically. Try your level best to win everybody with love. Try to talk lovingly, try to diffuse the situation, try to make everybody calm down. And also, if nothing works, seek the help of counselors or seek the help of elders in the family or relatives so that the people who are creating these issues can get counseled by mental health care professionals. One very important mantra for coping in a very hostile home environment would be to learn positive thinking and be positive all the time, and using that positive thinking to communicate assertively. And when we say assertive communication, it is about being clear in what you want while ensuring that you're not hurting the feelings of anybody. For example, if you say that I want milk every day, rather than screaming and shouting saying I want milk every day, you could try asking your parents, can I please have milk every day because it really makes me feel full? Can I please have milk every day because it really makes me feel fresh? So these are the kind of examples of assertive communication. You're being clear, you're being polite, and you're not hurting anybody. So the same way you can use your assertive communication to diffuse situations at home. When two people are fighting, you can always go and say, if you both fight, it really hurts me and it makes me feel depressed. I really love you both and I can't see you both fighting. So use these kind of assertive communication to diffuse the situation at home and make it better.